Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwatomilolaoj. Yes, I know it has been a minute since I uploaded any video at all. I have been really busy with, apart from how busy I am, I have just not been motivated to upload anything on YouTube. I have my hands full. YouTube is not the only thing I do, but because I love uploading videos for you guys to see, that's why I'm doing YouTube. So please guys, if you're watching this video, just help me share it, help me like it, so I get motivated every day to upload and be consistent with this YouTube thing. It's not my full-time work, but I still want to be able to upload consistently. And if I see that people are watching it, if I see that I'm getting subscribers and I'm getting feedback from what I'm uploading, then I might be motivated to start being consistent and wake up and start uploading video frequently. Anyways, now to today's video. I'm sorry about the background noise. Cars are moving about and things are happening around me, so okay, today's video I am going to be doing a video that was inspired by DIMMA. I saw this video on DIMMA's channel. So she made a video on YouTube recently about noodles, instant noodles. And if you live in Nigeria, or if you've lived in Nigeria before, you've either taken instant noodles before, or you are still eating instant noodles till date. Especially my generation, we grew up on instant noodles. Everybody between the age of 40 to 2 years or 1 year are eating instant noodles, and some people are no longer taking it. But I realized after watching DIMMA's video that I have only ever eaten Indomie noodles. This is what Indomie noodles is. And I realized I've only ever eaten this type of noodles before in my entire life. I'm quite picky, let me not lie. I'm quite a picky person. So I only like what I like. Because I don't live in a major city in Nigeria, COVID-19 has put every supermarket out of business in my town or city. So I don't really live in a large city in Nigeria. I live in an average city in Nigeria. So I went to about 5 supermarkets in my city, and I could only find 5 types of instant noodles. In DIMMA's video, I don't know why I keep saying DIMMA. In DIMMA's video, I think she tasted 9 types of Indomie. I don't know. Yeah, I think she tasted 9 types of Indomie. But she lives in a major city in Nigeria. She lives in Lagos. Lagos is, quite frankly, let's not lie, the #1 city in Nigeria. I grew up on this type of Indomie. But then when I became a teenager, I realized I liked this type of. This is also Indomie. This is also Indomie, but a different flavor. This is chicken flavor, and this is onion flavor. But I realized I love this type of Indomie. I love this Indomie than any other Indomie that they have out there. And Indomie has different flavors. They have the chicken, this one. They have the onions, this one. They have the pepper soup. I couldn't find that. They have relish. I found relish, but there's no way in hell I am going to eat relish. There's just no way in hell. I can't eat any other type of Indomie. I told you, I'm very picky. I'm the pickiest person I know. So this is why this video is very good for me, because of how picky I am. I get to taste the other types of Indomie I could find. So like I said, I could only find 4 other types of Indomie apart from the regular Indomie that I eat. 4 other types of noodles, sorry. We in Nigeria, we just call it Indomie. I don't know if this video does very well after the whole pandemic, after the whole COVID-19. The supermarkets will have stocked up, so I will try every other type of instant noodles I could find, depending on how this video does. It does very well, I'm going to do a part 2. So let's try to get this video to 1,000 views. I know it's asking a lot, but let's try to get this video to 1,000 views, please. Fingers crossed. So yeah, I'll be right back. Let me go and cook this in the kitchen. Hey guys, so I am back and I've finished cooking all the Indomies. It smells like Indomie fest right now. So I have my trusty old Chapman to help me get through this thing. all these indomies. There's one that I actually don't like the smell, but I don't want to judge a book by its cover yet. I don't want to judge it by the smell yet. I want to taste it before before judging it. But yeah, we're just going to start. I'm just going to sip a little bit of Chapman. This is so good. I make my Chapman myself. If you want me to show you guys how to make Chapman, I'm thinking I want to mix up my channel a little bit. Maybe put food, Nigerian food videos there. Just one or two. Just mix it up with the whole makeup and hair thing. I don't know yet. Just it depends if I can get the setup right. If I can get the setup right, then yeah, I'll definitely do that. But if I can't get the setup right, anyways, so today Indomie, I'm going to start with the one I cooked first because I can't stand cold Indomie. Indomie, I don't like cold Indomie. So I'm going to start with the one that I cooked first. You know, it's already getting cold, so I'm going to eat that. I put the ingredient sachet in it so that I will be able to know which is which. I'll be able to know which Indomie is which. So this is the Supreme Indomie. I'm going to place a picture up here. So this is the Supreme one. I can tell by the ingredient sachet. So, and this is my normal Indomitable Indomie. Oh my god, this is why I don't like cold Indomie. See, it's already mashed together. I just don't like. I hate cold Indomie. Anyways, oh god, what am I perceiving? No, this is not bad. It tastes like the normal. It tastes like Indomie, like real Indomie, like this type of Indomie. It tastes like it. Seriously, these people copied Indomie. That's what it tastes like. That's exactly what it tastes like. It's like they just copied the recipe. Okay. Like if I cook Indomie and I don't use the whole ingredients, like the whole sachet of ingredients, that's what it tastes like. Actually, the name is also super. I think it's Cherry Instant Noodles. The name is Cherry Instant Noodles, but they're not super on the lineup, so I don't know why. Maybe Cherry is the maker. I don't know. Anyways, Cherry or Super, whatever the name is. Okay, let me be frank. This is the one I don't like the smell. This is the one I don't like the smell. The smell it was given, I just didn't like it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. How am I perceiving this thing? Oh god, this is nasty. Oh my god. I mean, it smells nasty. Oh god. Okay, I can't perceive this and it doesn't say that. Oh. Oh my god. Oh Jesus Christ. Christ. Oh god. Let me analyze the taste for you guys to know. This tastes horrible. You know, if you cook Indomie, like if you want to cook Indomie, instead of not using the ingredients that comes with Indomie, you should not use salt and what's this thing in English? What's this thing in English called? Grounded pepper. Atagogo. That's Yoruba. I can't remember the English. Grounded. I'm just going to keep calling it grounded pepper, like powdered pepper. That's what it tastes like. Like I should just cook Indomie with salt and powdered pepper. Grounded pepper. That's what this tastes like. Oh my god, this tastes nasty. Christ Jesus. No more, please. Ugh. Oh god. The people that made this Cherry or whatever your name is, you guys need to reevaluate your ingredients. Your ingredients is nasty. Christ. Oh god. Okay. So this is the golden penny Indomie. The golden penny chicken. Try to the golden penny chicken flavor Indomie. So this is it. Okay. Oh god. Oh. This looks like spaghetti. spaghetti. Oh Christ Jesus. And it's so white. Oh. Oh. This is just wrong. The taste is just wrong. It's just wrong. I can't even tell you what I'm tasting. It tastes like Maggi. No, it's not even Maggi. Maggi has a better taste than this. It's tasting. I can't. Oh Jesus, I can't figure out what it is like. It's just a bad taste. Oh, I prefer this one than that. I prefer the cherry. Is it cherry? No, the Supreme. I prefer Supreme noodles than. Oh God, that just tastes nasty. So this is the jollof golden penny. Now that I've taken the chicken flavor, I've tasted the chicken flavor. I'm scared of tasting the jollof. The chicken flavor can taste like that. I'm scared of tasting the jollof. Christ Jesus. Oh God. I think jollof indomie should just be wrong. I don't know. It should just be wrong. DIMMA actually liked. What am I calling this woman? DIMMA actually liked this. Why would you like this? This doesn't taste. I anticipated out of all of it. I anticipated this the most because when DIMMA was tasting it, she liked the taste. It's just wrong. It tastes wrong. It just tastes weird. I'm sorry. I guess one man's food is another man's poison because this tastes horrible. Oh God. I don't know. Thank you very much, but I am going to stick with my indomie. I'm going to stick with my normal indomie. The Supreme one is still manageable. I don't know, maybe because it also tastes like indomie. But it's still manageable than oh God. The super or cherry or whatever it's called, that's the worst. It's the worst out of it all. Followed by the golden penny. Followed by the. Actually, I can't tell. I think they are just. The golden penny is just. I can't tell which is better between the two. They are just tight. I don't know. They're just tight. Both the jollof flavor and the chicken flavor. I think the only reason why it is better than this super chicken whatever is because of the grounded pepper and the super instant noodles is tasty like. If it wasn't tasty like grounded pepper, I would prefer it than this golden penny whatever. I can still go out and buy the Supreme, but thank you very much. I am going to stick with my Indomie chicken and onion flavored instant noodles. Thank you. I am not Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any other indomie you want me to try, any instant noodles you want me to try, just comment down below. If you've stopped eating instant noodles, I think for me, I kind of don't eat. I don't think this is the first time I'm eating instant noodles this year. I'm just over instant noodles. I don't know. Maybe I just don't like the taste anymore. Okay, I still like the taste. I don't know. I just think I've gotten over instant noodles. I don't eat it as much. When I was 17, 18, when I was around that age group, I used to eat it almost every day. but now I just don't eat it as much. I'm not eating instant noodles this year at all. This is the first time I'm eating it this year, so excuse me. When the comments down below did you stop eating instant noodles? We are still eating. Let us know your favorites instant noodles. Let us know. Let's keep the comment section popping. Let's keep the comment trade going on. Let's just keep everything popping. If you like this type of content from me, let me know. Comment down below so that I'll put out this type of content more. So without further ado, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and I love you guys. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.